fastest growing fiber internet got even faster. Again! Dahil ang doble na, di noble pa. Converge Fiber X Plan 1.5 from 100 Mbps is now 200 Mbps. Doble ulit ang bilis, doble ulit ang sulit. If you're an existing subscriber, automatic upgrade ito. And if you want to make it permanent, just agree to our new terms and conditions. As simple as that, no new application, and it's absolutely free. New Converge Fiber X Plan 1.5. Ang dobleng sulit, new offers from Converge. Doble na, di noble pa!
Big or small celebration, make it special, make it big.
Good afternoon sa lahat ng basketball fans na nakatutok ngayon dito sa Bucal Universities and Colleges Athletic League Season 5 kung saan bida ang malalarong Bicolano. Live rin tayong napapanood dito sa ATENEO Naga University Gymnasium and also to our social media platforms, One Media, TV48 Naga, Bucal Facebook page at sa Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon. I am Luis Alexander L.A. Lapid.
And ako naman si David Joshua Bernales and kami po ang makakasama nyo ngayong hapon sa bakbakan na magaganap dito sa loob ng ATENEO Naga University Gymnasium between the Annunciation Panthers and the Pasacao Academy White Tigers. So partner, ano masasabi mo sa araw na ito?
Well, yung laban natin ngayong araw, medyo aabangan talaga since on the line right now is the undefeated record of the Pasacao Academy White Tigers standing at a 2-0 record while the Annunciation Panthers searching or recovering from their loss against the NCF Cubs and also searching for their second win this season.
Ayun. So makikita natin partner dito sa loob ng ating hardcourt, nagpe-prepare na ang ating mga Panthers and sa side naman ng ating White Tigers is final words ng coaches nila sa mga gameplay nila sa pag-start ng ating ball game dito. So last week, partner, I believe Saturday, the Pasacao Academy got their second win against the Mariners Blue Dolphins, Napakaganda nung laro na pinakita nila doon. Di ba pareho tayo nung nag-commentator din ng game nila. And napakagandang performance, napaka-consistent nila on and off the court, defensively and offensively. Nakita natin kung gaano talaga ka-prepared ang ating White Tigers nung araw na iyon.
At syempre partner, pasalamatan muna natin ang ating mga sponsors for this matchup. We have Havaianas, Big's Diner, and Elise Sportswear. And also the Naga College Foundation, the home of the champions, Gold Glofa Construction, Lemon Residences, Lemon Experience Home Living, at Jenna Trading, presyong maaasahan sa kalidad na mapagkakatiwalaan. BMEG Premium, sa totoong premium feeds, mabilis na ang paglaki, mabilis pa ang kita. NCF Wings, because Tigers can have wings. Converge ICT Solution, Pilipinas Shell, Nagayon Travel and Tours, Nagayon Live Your Dreams, Create Memories, NCF V Gallery and Museum, Julia Outdoor Advertising and Printing, Tigers Cafe located at NCF Main and NCF Annex, NCF Indoor Firing Range, first world-class indoor firing range in Bicol Region.
Ayun, maraming salamat sa ating mga sponsors. And ngayon naman partner, tawagin natin ang ating courtside reporter from the side of the White Tigers to give us an update bago mag-start ang ating matchup nito. Kyla, ano ang balita dyan sa iyo?
Good afternoon, LA and Joshua. We are now on the 5th week of Bucal Season U25 Juniors and Seniors Division. I am Kyla Casulia, all the way from Pasacao Academy, White Tigers. For their third game this season, the White Tigers are really prepared for this game. Pinag-aralan nila ng mabuti ang Annunciation Panthers of Sorsogon. According to Coach Terry, we will see the same intensity that they shown to us last week. Even though their opponent has the height advantage, they are prepared to level up their performance for this game against the Panthers. And as the head coach of the White Tigers, ang tanging paalala lang ni Coach Terry sa kanyang mga players ay mag-enjoy dahil yan ang pinaka-importante for this game. Yan muna ang update sa side ng White Tigers. Balik sa inyo, Alain Burns.
Ayan, maraming salamat Kyla for that update on the side of the Tigers. And ayun na nga partner, no, nagsimula na ang ating ball game dito sa loob ng hard court. And syempre, analyze natin ng konti yung sinabi ni Kyla on her report para sa Tigers na totoo nga, nasa kanila ngayon ang momentum coming in with that 2-0 winning sa standing nila dito sa bracket nila. And makikita natin, no, medyo may height difference talaga as well as last week versus the Dolphins, pero hindi yun naging problema sa kanila dito as a number 3 gets that 3-pointer. That's good, putting the White Tigers in the scoreboard. Pero bago ang lahat partner, no, tawagin naman natin ng ating courtside reporter na si Rain to give us an update on the side of the Panthers. Rain.
Thank you, LA and Bert, and hello, Bicolanja. We are back here at ATENEO Naga University Gymnasium because Bucal Season 5 is back in play. In today's match, we'll be seeing the Annunciation Panthers versus the Pasacao White Tigers. I am Rain Reyes, and I will be your courtside reporter on the side of the Panthers. According to their captain, Ditisho, they are expecting a strong opponent today. That's why they are focused on their training on defense and less on their defense. Dagdag pa ni Coach Van ay nag-training din sa kanilang backs out and free throws. And hopefully their practice will pay off and give them another victory. Kaya naman abangan natin kung ano bang mangyayari sa laro nila ngayong araw. Only here at Uragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon, and on One Media TV 48 Naga. Yan muna sa ngayon. Back to you, LA and Burns.
Yun, maraming salamat, Rain, for that update para sa side ng ating Annunciation Panthers. And kanina nga partner, habang nagsasalita ang ating courtside reporter, we have seen that reverse layup that cuts the lead down to 1. But still, the White Tigers in lead.
Ayan, napakaganda nga ng movement na pinapakita dito ng ating Panthers. And sabi nga ni Coach Ron sa kanyang mga players, no, they need to focus dito sa ball game na ito. And bawasan ang mga magagawang turnovers dito. And that was a steal by Jestre, pero nakuha ulit ni number 3 with that layup. No good. Scrambling for the ball. Nakuha dito ng White Tigers, but it goes out of bounds. Bola dito ng ating Panthers.
Panthers now to inbound the ball. Jersey number 2, Likup. Ball ngayon, jersey number 28. Passes to jersey number 2. Back to jersey number 28, Bunso. Tamayo for 3. That's good.
Just like that, partner, no? Panthers ngayon ang may hawak ng kalamangan dito. White Tigers naman ang nasa opensa. Atienza with that layup. That's good. Easy layup para sa kanya. Deadlock tayo ngayon at 5 with 7 minutes and 4 seconds left dito sa ating first quarter. Lob pass to the inside. That's good para kay Jestre. 2-point lead ang abante dito ng Panthers.
Full court trapping ngayon dito ang Panthers. Pero ball possession pa rin ng ating White Tigers.
Full court press ang pinapakita dito ng ating mga Panthers as they get that inbound. No good sa attempt dito from the corner. Atienza fires a 3. That's good.
Maagang sagutan ng 3 points dito as the Pasacao Academy once again gain the lead and leading by 1 point. As number 2 passes to number 10. Stolen here by the White Tigers. Number 42, layup. No good. Pero, defensive rebound dito ni jersey number 7. Jersey number 28, nagmamadali. Scrabbles for the ball. Pero, same ball tayo ngayon dito as White Tigers still in possession. 6 minutes and 8 seconds remaining here in our first quarter. Pasacao Academy White Tigers, 1-point lead. Makikita natin dito, naka 1-2-2. Defense na agad ang Panthers at pinahihirapan talaga mag-pressure dito ng White Tigers. And 3-2 zone defense. Rebound dito, jersey number 7. Pass to jersey number 18, Detisho. Pass failed to connect there.
Substitution dito para sa both teams. Masyadong malakas yung pasa kanina ni Detisho sa kanyang teammate, so that in turn ay lumabas as a turnover. White Tigers ngayon ang nasa opensa. Briosa with the ball. Thought about that. 3 fires though. Masyadong it's gonna be a foul called on jersey number 7. Ating White Tigers. Ball possession ngayon ng ating Panthers. 5 minutes, 25 seconds remaining dito sa ating first quarter. Still a 1-point lead by the White Tigers here as Detisho making the play para sa Panthers. Hingi siya dito ng screen. Passes to Likop. Likop to the corner. Puhol. Extra pass. Masyado na naman malakas. That's gonna be another turnover para sa side ng Panthers. White Tigers now with the ball.
Jersey number 3. Oriol passes to jersey number 4. Stripped away here by jersey number 10 of the Annunciation Panthers as Detisho now has the ball. Bantay ni Briosa. Detisho, Eurostep. Layup, no good. Pero offensive rebound by Detisho and gets that second chance points. And ganun na lamang, 1-point lead ang abante dito ng Panthers.
A lot of lead changes dito sa early stretches ng ating first quarter. Inside pass to number 17. Balik sa labas. Mariscal goes inside. Gets that attempt. No good. Pero may whistle. At tinawag dito ang ating referee. That's gonna be a foul called on jersey number 5. Substitutions dito. Both teams. Free throw dito ngayon para kay Mariscal. First attempt here. No good. Chance to tie the ball game dito sa kanyang second attempt. No good pa rin. Panthers still hold a 1-point lead here, but a steal by Briosa. Passes to Atienza for that floater. No good. Almost another steal here para sa White Tigers. Pero Pohol goes inside. No good sa kanyang attempt. May foul. 2 shots sa kanya dito sa free throw line.
Siyempre partner, pasalamatan din natin ang ating media partner, One Media TV 48 Naga, and also sa technical director ng Oragon Sports TV, Engineer RJ Rebedorial, and also sa kanyang mga kasamahan, si Sir Jameson Brenya, Sir James Angelo Gabarda, and si Ma'am Irene Tosok, and also sa station manager na si Sir JM Jacob.
First attempt dito ni Puhol on the free throw line. No good. Second attempt na pala yun. Brioso ngayon nagdadala ng opensa para sa Tigers. Passes to Oriol. Nganap ng mapapasahan. 15 seconds on the shot clock here. Oriol passes to Briosa. 10 seconds on the shot clock. Number 17 to Atienza. No good. That's a steal by the Panthers. Detisho, lob pass. Too strong na naman. That's gonna be another turnover para sa side ng Panthers. Bola ulit dito ng Tigers.
Oriol now to inbound the ball. Passes to Briosa. Briosa. Pass to number 4. Back to Briosa. Jersey number 4. Briosa again. Thought about a 3-pointer. Briosa, 3-pointer. In and out. Rebound dito ngayon ng Panthers. As Puhol, nagmamadali, layup. No good. Defensive rebound by jersey number 17 of the White Tigers. As Briosa now passes to jersey number 8. Defensive rebound again by jersey number 15 of the Panthers. At turnover dito ngayon. Timeout ngayon dito ang Pasacao Academy White Tigers with 3 minutes and 7 seconds remaining here in our first quarter. This is Bucal Season 5 only here on Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon. We're back live here sa ATENEO Naga University Gymnasium for our first quarter showdown between the Annunciation Panthers versus the Pasacao Academy White Tigers. As number 17. No good on that 2-pointer. Foul dito ni jersey number 4. Charles David Marisal. Tisho now. Trying to create a play. Passes to Puhol. Jersey number 15. Puhol. Mahinay. 3-pointer. Corner 3-pointer by Mahinay. And that's good. Masyado ditong pinipressure ng Panthers ang White Tigers sa kanilang small ball offense and using their height as an advantage here in this ball game. As number 14. No good. Titisho now. Pass to number 15. Stripped away by jersey number 3. Passes to jersey number 4. Number 14, Bio. Oriol. Jersey number 4. Fouled. Pero may 2 free throws siyang matatanggap as he steps on the line. First free throw by Mariscal. Second free throw attempt dito ni Mariscal. At defensive rebound ng ating Panthers as Puhol slips and ball possession ay mapupunta sa ating White Tigers. 1 minute and 43 seconds remaining here in our first quarter as Oriol pass it to Bio pero stolen here by Ditisho as Puhol 2-pointer. That's good. Puhol, steal, 2-pointer, again. 16 and 8 ang ating score. In this first quarter at jersey number 3.
Substitution here on the side of the White Tigers. Ball possession nila dito. A minute 21 seconds remaining. Kalahati ang kalamangan dito ng ating Panthers. As Mariscal gets that attempt. No good.
Buhol again. Nagmamadali. Layup. No good. Detisio now. White Tigers in possession. Asbio. Passes to Briosa. Bio. Back to jersey number 4, Mariscal. Double team, triple team by the Panthers. Bio now, 2-pointer. No good. It's a steal. It's a stealing party here at this hard court as kanina pa nagpapalitan ng steals and turnovers dito ang both teams with 41 seconds remaining here in our first quarter. Easy pass there for a 2-pointer by jersey number 22, Ivan L. Bulacan.
Double-digit lead na ngayon ang hawak ng Panthers. Briosa, naghanap ng mapapasahan, gets to Mariscal to the corner. Balik kay Briosa. Inside lob pass, no good, unsuccessful dito, pero ball possession pa rin ng White Tigers with 17 seconds remaining on the game clock and 8 seconds sa ating shot clock. Briosa will inbound, passes to the corner. 3-pointer here, no good. Shot clock is off, 10 seconds remaining. Detisio, fast break. Extra pass to Pohol. That's gonna be a traveling violation.
Possible last shot here by the White Tigers. Pero, block doon ni jersey number 22. At dito nagtatapos ang ating first quarter with 10-point lead by the Annunciation Panthers. This is Bucal Season 5 only here on Aragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon. We're back live here sa ATENEO de Naga University Gymnasium. It's the second quarter as the Panthers. Pero, ball possession agad mapupunta sa White Tigers as Bio to inbound the ball. Passes to Briosa. 3-2. Zone defense ang pinakikita dito ng Panthers. As Bio. Passes to Briosa. Naghahanap na magsiscreen as Bio. 2-pointer. No good. Bola ngayon ng Panthers. Number 19. Passes to jersey number 16, Tamayo. 3-pointer. No good. Rebound dito ni Jestre. As Tamayo. 2-pointer. No good. Second chance point. Pero may foul na nakita doon ng ating referee. As jersey number 24 will step on the line for 2 free throws. At syempre, batiin natin partner ang mga nanunood dito sa ating live ball game, si IC Cortez. Second free throw dito ni jersey number 24. That's good.
Ball possession dito ngayon ng ating White Tigers. Full court trapping pa rin ang pinapakitang depensa ng Panthers. Briosa passes to number 42. Balik sa kanya ang bola. Inside pass to number 25. Beautiful assist there by Briosa for that 2-pointer. Single-digit lead ang hawak ngayon ng ating Panthers with 9 minutes remaining. Number 16 with that 3-pointer. Balik sa isang dosena ang kalamangang hawak dito ng ating Panthers. Briosa passes to the corner. That's gonna be out of bounds. Turnover here para sa White Tigers. Ball possession dito ng ating Panthers.
Jersey number 19. Passes to Bunso. Bunso, Eurostep. Layup, no good. Rebound dito ng White Tigers. And to give us an update sa side ng ating White Tigers, let's call on our courtside reporter na si Kyla. Hi Kyla, ano balita natin dyan?
Thank you, LA and David. We are now on the second quarter of this matchup. Coach Terry reminds his players to have a good ball rotation for this quarter. And coaches noticed that the White Tigers are pressure for this game. So they reminded them to stay calm and just focus on the game. Kailangan pa nga ng mas matibay at matatag na opensa, lalong-lalo na ang depensa for this quarter. Yan muna ang update sa side ng White Tigers. Back to the panel.
Thank you so much, Kyla, for that update sa side ng ating White Tigers. And yun nga, nasabi daw ni Kyla na very pressure dito ang White Tigers. At kung matatandaan natin, itong Panthers last season, they've entered the semifinals but they fell short to the NCF Cubs. At nagbakbakan ulit sila kalaban ang Greyhounds, but they also fell short for the battle for third.
And to give us an update naman on the side of the Panthers, tawagin natin ang ating courtside reporter na si Rain. Rain, ano ang balita dyan?
Hello, LA and Burns. Stay calm and know the right time when to pass the ball. Yan ang paalala ni Coach Van sa team on their first huddle during the first quarter timeout. Switch back to defense after turnovers and always backs out. Dagdag pa niya. Less dribble at relax lang at magtiwala sa teammate. But of course, despite of the number of reminders given to them, the Panthers ended the first quarter in victory. This is not yet the end, kaya patuloy natin abangan kung anong mangyayari sa larong ito. That's it for now. Back to you, LA and Burns.
Ayan, maraming salamat Rain for that update on the side of the Panthers. And tatawag dito ng timeout ang ating Panthers. 26 to 15 ang ating score dito. 7 minutes and 5 seconds remaining sa ating first half. Don't go anywhere mga kaibigan. Magbabalik po ang Bucal Season 5.
We're back live here at ATENEO Naga University Gymnasium in our second quarter after that timeout by the Panthers. 26 and 15 ang ating score with 7 minutes and 5 seconds remaining here in our second quarter as Panthers now to inbound the ball. Bunso ngayon nagdadala ng bola. Passes to the inside man, jersey number 24 outside. Lick up for 3. Pero defensive rebound dito ng ating White Tigers at double team kanina si jersey number 6 Atienza as the White Tigers to inbound the ball. Briosa nagdadala ng bola. Inside pass, jersey number 42. Good for 2 points there by Escano. Jersey number 19 ngayon. Humihingi ng screen. Passes to Bunso. 3-pointer. That's good. 29 and 17 in favor of the Panthers. Full court press dito pinakikita ng ating Panthers. Bola ngayon ng Panthers. Jestre to Bunso. Jersey number 19 to jersey number 2. Bunzo ties again. Likup 4-3. Ay, 4-2 rather. Briosa. Floater shot, no good. As jersey number 19 passes to jersey number 28, Bunzo. To Likup. Back to Bunzo. Likup again, 3-pointer. That's good. It's a 3-point streak ang ipinakikita dito ng Panthers. And also, balik ulit sa full court trapping ang Panthers after that turnover. Pero basket by the White Tigers. As jersey number 19 has the ball, Laila. Passes to Likup. Jersey number 2 passes to Laila. Back to Likup. Pass to jersey number 24, Eurostep. Pero may foul na nakita doon ng ating referee and he will shoot for 2 free throws. As jersey number 24, Diaz, will take 2 free throws. His first free throw attempt. That's good. Second free throw attempt by Diaz to make it a 2 for 2. Makes also the second free throw. Balik ulit sa full court man-to-man trapping dito ang ating Panthers. At still dito ng Panthers as jersey number 24, Diaz gets that 2 points. Briosa passes to Atienza. Turnover at bola pa rin dito ng ating White Tigers. With 4 minutes and 30 seconds remaining here in our second quarter. Still in the lead ang ating Panthers as Atienza now passes to Briosa. Atienza, jersey number 25. White Tigers now to inbound the ball. Stolen. Stolen dito ng ating Panthers. As Laila, layup. That's good. Pero, stepping on the line dito ang Panthers. Trying to attempt that steal pero ball possession mapupunta sa ating White Tigers. As jersey number 22, Alimuin, to inbound the ball. Substitution here by the Panthers. As Briosa now. Signaling a play. Pass to Alimuin. Back to Briosa. Briosa again. Naghahanap na magsi-screen. Inside pass. Jersey number 42. No good. Defensive rebound dito ng Panthers. As Detisho signaling a play. Jersey number 18 passes to Likup. 3-pointer. No good. White Tigers ngayon in possession. Briosa. Jersey number 4. 2-pointer. No good. Defensive rebound dito ng Panthers as Detisho. Layup. Basket plus a foul and he will shoot for a 3-point play opportunity. Substitution dito ang White Tigers. As Detisho will be taking the 3-point play opportunity. 1 free throw. Doesn't complete the 3-point play as the White Tigers scrambling for that ball a while ago. Panthers now in offense. Inside pass, Bucal fails to make it as the White Tigers layup. That's good. 2 minutes and 51 seconds remaining here in our second quarter. Panthers still in the lead. 40-21 ang ating score. Likup nagpa-screen. Jestre. Likup passes to Detisho. Detisho, 3-pointer. No good. Defensive rebound dito ni jersey number 42, Escano. Bio. Passes to Briosa. Signaling a screen. Inside pass to jersey number 4. Block there by Bulacan. White Tigers inbound the ball. Fouled dito si jersey number 17 and he will be stepping on the line for 2 free throws. And quick shoutout tayo dito. Shoutout to Sir John Russell Senyora na nanunood dito sa Bucal Season 5. At sa lahat din ng ating viewers sa One Media TV 48 Naga at sa Bucal Facebook page. Maraming po sa inyong pagtangkilik sa nag-iisang liga ng mga collegiate basketball players here in Bicol Region. Asbio. Same ball dito. White Tigers to inbound the ball. Full court trapping ang Panthers. Asbio now passes to jersey number 4. Foul there and they will be getting 2 free throws. Mariscal will step on the line. Mariscal, first free throw. No good. Second free throw by Mariscal. No good. As Mahinay rebounds the ball. Puhol, nagmamadali. Layup. That's good. That layup is brought to you by the NCF Wings because Tigers can have wings. As Bola failed to make that pass. Likup. Traveling violation dito ang itinawag kay jersey number 2 na si Likup from the Panthers as White Tigers now in possession. Passes to Bio. Briosa. To Bio. Jersey number 42. Escano. No good on that 2-pointer. Almost deflection there by the White Tigers as Detisho nagmamadali. Likup. 2-pointer. That's good. 55 seconds na lamang natitira dito bago magtapos ang ating second quarter. Pero may foul na itinawag doon ang ating referee. As once again, White Tigers will be stepping on the line. Escano. Quick shoutouts tayo dito. Shoutout to Andre Noriega and Hannah Velasco. And also, second free throw attempt na din dito ng White Tigers. As Escano now, a recovery free throw. Failed to make that free throw as Detisho. Long pass to Likup. Layup, that's good. Immediately, in a man-to-man trapping agad dito as Briosa passes to jersey number 4. Mahinay. Double teamed. Timeout ngayon dito. Ang ating Annunciation Panthers, 48-21 ang ating score in favor of the Panthers. This is Bucal Season 5 only here on Aragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon. We're back live here sa ATENEO de Naga University Gymnasium for the continuation of our second quarter. 27 seconds remaining here. As the Panthers now in possession. Detisho trying to create a play, passes to Bulacan. Detisho naghanap ng screen, passes to Puhol, Likup, passes to my inside pass to Mahinay, no good on that 2-pointer, pero may foul doon na nakita ang ating referee and he will be shooting for 2 free throws. 9 seconds na lamang natitira dito sa ating second quarter. First free throw doesn't go in. Second free throw attempt by jersey number 15, Mahinay. Gets that second free throw. White Tigers in possession, possibly the last possession in this quarter. That's jersey number 4. Layup, no good, but a tip in there to end the second quarter. This is the end of the first half, second quarter, with the Panthers in the lead. This is Bucal Season 5 only here on Aragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon.
The fastest growing fiber internet got even faster. Again! Dahil ang doble na, di noble pa. Converge Fiber X Plan 1.5 from 100 Mbps is now 200 Mbps. Doble ulit ang bilis, doble ulit ang sulit. If you're an existing subscriber, automatic upgrade ito. And if you want to make it permanent, just agree to our new terms and conditions. As simple as that, no new application, and it's absolutely free. New Converge Fiber X Plan 1.5. Ang dobleng sulit, new offers from Converge. Doble na, di noble pa!
Big or small celebration, make it special, make it big.
Bilis laki, ipista ba? B-Meg! Bilis kita! Tinuloy-tuloy ko hanggang B-Meg Premium Grower 1 and 2. May Lean Plus technology, kaya mas mabigat at manipis ang taba sa pagbenta. Kaya tuloy nyo na! B-Meg! Bilis kita!
The fastest growing fiber internet got even faster. Again, dahil ang doble na, di noble pa. Converge Fiber X Plan 1.5 from 100 Mbps is now 200 Mbps. Doble ulit ang
ating second half with White Tigers in possession as Briosa tries that shot, no good. Escano, offensive rebound. Pero pushing foul dito. At dito naman tayo sa ating halftime analysis at nagtapos ang ating second quarter with the Panthers in the lead. Score 49 and 23. Makikita natin dito na ang Panthers very lethal sa kanilang field goal percentage. Sa 2 points, they shot 50% from the side of the Panthers, and also the White Tigers 23%, 7 over 30. And also sa kanilang 3-point percentage, 5 and 9 ang naitala dito ng Panthers with 55% in the 3-point range, and also sa side naman ng White Tigers, 3 out of 10 lamang ang attempts nila from the 3-point line with 30% chance sa 3-point percentage. And also turnovers, maraming turnovers dito, pero White Tigers 14 turnovers while the Panthers 13 turnovers. And also sa rebounds, very lethal, and nagamit talaga yung height advantage ng Panthers with 26 rebounds and 10 para sa White Tigers. And also sa steals, lamang-lamang ng 5 dito ang Panthers with 10 steals and 5 steals for the White Tigers. 14 seconds to create a play dito ang ating Panthers as Laila passes it to jersey number 28. Tamayo natawagan dito ng traveling violation as White Tigers now to inbound the ball. And to give us an update sa side ng ating Panthers, let's call on our courtside reporter na si Rain. Hi Rain, anong balita natin dyan?
Thank you, LA and Burns. The Panthers is still and once again in the lead. But of course, they still have to maintain their momentum, for it is just the end of the half of the first game. Still, throughout the game, players were always reminded to lessen their dribble, to box out, relax, at wag manggigil. Know when to pass the ball and never miss an opportunity to score. Same pressure were applied to the Panthers even though they won this quarter, because according to Coach Van, they can still improve their plays and defense. Enjoy, but at the same time, apply what they have been doing during their trainings. back to zero mindset tayo. Yan ang sabi ni Coach bago sila bumalik sa laro. Again, this is the Panthers still in the lead. Yan muna sa ngayon. Back to you, LA and Burns.
Thank you so much, Rain, for that update sa side ng ating Panthers and a good mindset set here by their head coach na back to zero dapat ang isip ng ating mga players, and also every quarter iniisip nila na it is back to zero and stay consistent in every place and less dribble and one basket at a time. And to hear an update para sa side ng ating White Tigers, let's call on our courtside reporter na si Kyla. Hi Kyla, anong update natin dyan?
Thank you, LA and David. We are now on the third quarter of this matchup. For the White Tigers, they need to double their effort for this quarter para makahabol pa sila sa kanilang kalaban. Kailangan bawasan ng turnovers at mas dagdagan pa ang effort para sa opensa at depensa for this quarter. Coaches are motivating them para makabawi pa sila for this last two quarters of this game. Yan muna ang update sa White Tigers. Back to the panel.
Thank you so much, Kyla, for that update sa side ng ating White Tigers. At nasabi nga kanina ni Coach, sa coach ng White Tigers na si Coach Aristeo Olivan, to double their efforts since they are now down. They are very down in this quarter as the Panthers are taking this lead. A strong sign from the Panthers. Pero sabi nga kanina ni Coach Olivan, it's just to enjoy every moment of this game. Kasi kapag hindi mo na-enjoy ang moment, kada game, mahirap mag-isip ng maayos, lalo na sa mga plays na gagawin ninyo. As Panthers now. Jersey number 16, Tamayo. Basket plus a foul. 3-point play opportunity dito para kay Tamayo. And quick shout out tayo dito. Shout out to Angelica May Peñaflor, Vera Santelices, and Casey Calianta. Maraming salamat sa pagsubaybay dito sa Bucal Season 5. As White Tigers now. Bio passes to Briosa. Jersey 6, Atienza. Atienza, two-pointer. That's good. 55 and 30 ang ating score in favor of the Panthers with 6 minutes and 37 seconds remaining here in our third quarter as Laila in offense. Laila. Jersey number 16. Back to Laila. Jersey number 10, Jestre. Two-pointer. No good. As Jestre steals that ball, pero he will be stepping on the line for 2 free throws. Timeout ngayon dito. White Tigers calls a timeout with 6 minutes and 19 seconds remaining here in our third quarter, 55 and 30 in favor of the Panthers. This is Bucal Season 5 only here on Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon. We're back live here sa ATENEO de Naga University Gymnasium for our third quarter matchup between the Panthers and the White Tigers. Panthers in the lead. 55 ang ating score as Jestre will be taking that free throw. First free throw. No good. Jestre will be taking his recovery free throw or his second free throw. Second free throw, Jestre. No good. Pero offensive rebound dito ng Panthers at easy 2 points para sa Panthers as White Tigers nahihirapan itawid ang bola from that man-to-man trapping situation here as Panthers successfully steals that ball. Tamayo layup. That's good. Good for 2 points. Still a full court trapping here by the Panthers. Long pass. Jersey number 4. Mariscal passes to Briosa. Step back 2-pointer. No good. As Laila passes to Diaz. Pero napalakas yung pasa kanina ng ating Panthers at ball possession mapupunta para sa White Tigers. As Briosa nagdadala ng bola. Passes to Bio. Jersey number 12. Passes to Mariscal. Nilabas kay Briosa. One-on-one sila ni Briosa again. One-on-one with Laila. At shot clock violation dito. Ang ating White Tigers with 5 minutes and 9 seconds remaining here in the third quarter. Panthers in possession. Laila passes to Tamayo. Tamayo inside play. That's good for 2 points. White Tigers ngayon. Jersey number 4. Double team kanina as Oriol. Briosa. Crossover passes to Oriol. No good. Pero foul dito si Mariscal and he will be taking 2 free throws. Substitution dito ang Panthers and also sa White Tigers. First free throw para kay Mariscal. First free throw is good. Panthers still grasping on that 30-point lead they are holding in this quarter with 4 minutes and 36 seconds. Mariscal takes that. Second free throw cuts the lead to 29 points. As Likup passes to jersey number 11 pero nabitawan ng bola at ball possession ng ating White Tigers as jersey number 14 passes to Mariscal. Floater shot, no good. Double team dito ang Panthers. Still no good. Defensive rebound by the Panthers as Laila passes to jersey number 28 Bunzo, 2-pointer. Jersey number 22 Escano passes to jersey number 4 Mariscal, and he will be taking 2 free throws. So partner, pasalamatan natin ang ating sponsors, the Havaianas, Bigs, and Elise Sports. And also, pasalamatan din natin ang ating sponsor from Han Shabu Shabu Buffet Restaurant, Converge ICT Solution, Pilipinas Shell, Naga Travel and Tours, Naga Live Your Dreams, Create Memories, NCF Gallery and Museum, Holy Outdoor Advertising and Printing, Tigers Cafe located at NCF Main NCF Annex, NCF Indoor Fighting Range, first world-class indoor fighting range in Bucal Region, SMCT Naga, NCF Training Pool at NCF Driving School. Aslikop, 3-pointer, no good. Defensive rebound by the White Tigers as Escano passes to Bio. Oriol. Back to Oriol. To jersey number 12, Moiko. A successful steal there by Mariscal. Pero failed to connect there for a 2-pointer basket. Aslaila. And offense, tumatakbo, nagmamadali. Jersey number 11, 2-pointer. Basket is good for Guerrero of the Panthers. Long pass dito, pero pass deflected by the Panthers. Aslaila, no look pass to jersey number 22, pero defensive rebound ng ating White Tigers as Escano passes to Oriol. Bio. Airball. Rebound ni Guerrero. Bunzo. And timeout dito ang itinawag ng Panthers with 2 minutes and 30 seconds remaining here in our third quarter. This is Bucal Season 5 only here on Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon. We will be right back. Matchup between the Panthers and the White Tigers. 65 and 33 ang ating score in favor of the Panthers, as the Panthers now will be inbounding the ball. Laila now picks up the ball, passes to jersey number 28 Bunzo. Laila, 3-pointer, no good, pero offensive rebound, the jersey number 22, and gets that. 2 points. From Bulacan. Oriol. Passes to Bio. Rushing here. Bio, great recovery from that double team as Oriol. Bio. Thought about a 3. Pull-up jumper. No good. Rebound dito ni Laila. Likup. Passes to Laila. Bunzo. Humingi ng screen kay Bulacan. Pasa kay Bulacan. Guerrero. Inside pass. Pero, turnover dito. Same ball. As Laila. 3 seconds to shoot. 3-pointer. No good. Rebound. White Tigers. As Bio. Passes to jersey number 3, Oriol. 3-pointer. No good. From jersey number 25. As Likup. Rushing. Pero, out of bounds. Bola dito ng ating White Tigers. Oriol to inbound the ball. Bio ngayon. Passes to jersey number 6. Basket's good. From jersey number 6. Atienza. Laila. Signaling a play. As Laila passes it to the corner. No good. As Guerrero, offensive rebound, still no good. Nakuha nga dito ni Likup. And 2 points good for Likup. And also, tumawag ulit ng medic dito para kay Oriol. As the referees have seen a sudden bleed again. Bulacan. Layup. That's good. Oriol. Panthers. 12 seconds remaining to create a play. Laila. Jersey number 2, Likup. No good on that last shot. Panthers in the lead, 71-55 to end the third quarter. This is Bucal Season 5, only here on Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon. We're back live here sa ating fourth and final quarter. Panthers still in the lead, 71-35 as Briosa now. Signaling a play, passes to Oriol. Back to Oriol, to Briosa. Screen. As jersey number 8. Bunzo now, Panthers. Inside pass, failed to connect there. As White Tigers in possession, Briosa. 2-pointer. No good. Defensive rebound ni Guerrero. As Bunzo. Layup. No good. White Tigers ngayon. Oriol. Passes to Briosa. At tumawag dito ng foul ang ating referee. Unsportsmanlike dito. Unsportsmanlike foul ang itinawag dito kay jersey number 17. As Panthers will step on the free throw line. And to give us an update para sa side ng ating White Tigers, let's call on our courtside reporter na si Kayla. Hi Kayla, anong balita natin dyan?
Thank you, Ellie and David. We are now on the last quarter of this matchup. During the huddle, coaches are emphasizing to have a all-out execution, especially in offense and defense for this quarter. Dahil malaki na nga ang kalamangan ng kanilang opponent, the Panthers. They are also reminded na ibalik ang dating galaw and eagerness nila inside the court. They are locked on communication. So they need to double their effort na mas magkaintindihan pa sa loob ng court for a good ball rotation and a good offense and defense this quarter. Dagdag pa ni Coach, don't be pressure and just enjoy the rest of the game. Ayan lang ang update sa side ng White Tigers. Back to the panel.
Thank you Kyla for that update para sa side ng ating White Tigers. And yun nga sabi na ni Coach Aristeo to enjoy every moment of the game. And also, huwag ma-pressure sa matatangkad na depensa ng Panthers. And also, to give us an update sa side ng ating Panthers, let's call on our courtside reporter na si Rain. Hi Rain, anong balita natin dyan?
Thank you, LA and Burns. The third quarter has ended in favor of the Panthers. The hesitation of the players to guard and backs out, according to their coach, gives them a hard time. So they were told to remove those doubts and go all out on the game. They have been exerting so much effort to maintain their lead. Though Coach Van still have reminders for them, they managed to overcome the difficulties in their play and displayed an amazing performance during the game that gave them a leading score of 36 points for this quarter. This is the last 10 minutes that they will be playing for this game. Kaya naman abangan natin if the Panthers will make the most out of it. That's it for now. Back to you, LA and Burns.
Thank you, Rain, for that update sa side ng ating Panthers. And the Panthers now continuing their consistency and also showing their towering defense as still holding that lead 73 in favor of the Panthers. As Laila passes it to jersey number 2. Laila. Basket's good. Briosa, I think, is hurt here as he is holding on his leg. White Tigers in possession. Passes to Briosa. Pero ball possession dito ng White Tigers. Oriol. Passes to Bio. Oriol. Inside pass. No good. Aslikop. Inside play. Basket's good. White Tigers in possession. As Bio passes to jersey number 25, Francisco. Oriol to Bola. Guarded here by jersey number 22, Bio. To Oriol. To Francisco. 3-pointer, no good. Rebound dito ng Panthers. At nakuha dito ng White Tigers. Ang long pass sana ng Panthers as Bio now. Bio. Shots. Shots. Not good. Pero may foul doon. Nakita ang ating referee. And he will be shooting for 2 free throws. 6 minutes and 21 seconds remaining here in our fourth quarter. 77 and 37 in favor of the Annunciation Panthers. First free throws good for the White Tigers. The second free throw ngayon dito ng White Tigers. As Bio. No good. Likop ngayon. Rushing. Passes. Pero may foul na nakita doon ng ating referee. At Likop will be shooting for 2 free throws. Likop ngayon will be stepping on the line for his 2 free throws. First free throw by Likop. Inside out. No good. Second free throw ngayon dito ng Panthers as Likop will be taking his recovery free throw. Second free throw attempt by Likop. Still no good. Rebound dito ni Bola. As jersey number 14 by Bio. Gets that 2 points. Laila. Jersey number 28. To Laila again. As jersey number 2, Likop, floater shot. That's good. At ang mga abangan nyo mamaya mga kaibigan, it's the USI Falcons versus the ACC Green Serpents. We'll be seeing there the superstar coaches of both teams. We see from the side of the Green Serpents, Coach John Diaz and Coach Christopher Espinosa for the Falcons. 2-pointers good para sa Panthers. 5 minutes na lamang natitira dito sa ating fourth and final quarter. White Tigers still in possession. 12 seconds to create a shot. Jersey number 17 gets that 2 points. Now, Laila. Nagdadala ng bola. Passes to Bunzo. Gestre, 2-pointer. No good. Defensive rebound by the White Tigers. As jersey number 14, Bio. Oriol to Bola. Bola will be shooting for 2 free throws. As the Panthers, 2 team fouls dito. Both teams have 2 team fouls in this 4th and final quarter. First free throw attempt by Bola is no good. Second free throw. No good. White Tigers mag-inbound ng bola. At abangan nyo rin mamaya mga kaibigan after that match against the USI Falcons and the ACC Green Serpents. Magbabalik ulit sa hard court ang Ateneo Golden Knights at ang CSPC Blue Stallions. Moving back to our ball game. Panthers. Bunzo rushing. Layup. Basket's good. Plus a foul. A chance to make a 3-point play. A 3-point play opportunity here to jersey number 18. Detisho. Jersey number 28 rather, Bunzo. Bunzo. Gets that 3-point play opportunity to extend their lead in this quarter. Gestre passes to Puhol. Puhol boards it and gets that 2 points. Asbio spins, passes to jersey number 4. 2-pointer. That's good. 5 Mariscal. At timeout dito ngayon ang Annunciation Panthers with 3 minutes and 34 seconds. This is Bucal Season 5 only here on Aragon Sports TV. Liga ng mga Kampiyon. We're back live here sa ating hard court action between the Panthers and the White Tigers. 3 minutes and 34 seconds remaining here sa ating third, fourth, and final quarter. As the Panthers now in possession, Laila passes to his teammate Bunzo. No good. Guerrero, offensive rebound. Jersey number 2, Likup. Passes to Bunzo. Likup failed to make that connection. And the White Tigers. Asbio, jersey number 14. Jersey number 9 to jersey number 4. Mariscal. Layup. Struggling for that layup. Stepping on the line dito ang White Tigers. Panthers now. Panthers in possession. Jersey number 28, Bunzo, inside pass to Guerrero. Layup, no good. Escano takes that rebound. Bio. To jersey number 9, Regaspi. A guaranteed win here for the Panthers. And a 2-1 record as they go home in this ball game. One minute and 15 seconds na lamang natitira dito sa ating fourth quarter. As Bio now. Inside play. Basket. No basket. There will be 2 free throws for Bio. At syempre, gusto din natin partner pasalamatan ang Samahang Basketball ng Pilipinas Bicol headed by Coach Eman Faraon. And also sa ating Bucal Tournament Commissioner, Coach Donaldson, and also to its board president, Mario Villanueva. Maraming salamat po. A 10-second differential here from the shot clock and the game clock as White Tigers trying to create a shot in this possible last possession as jersey number 42. Escano, no good. Gestre to jersey number 19 will be just dribbling it out as the Panthers take home their second win this season against the Pasacao Academy White Tigers, drawing their first loss this season and ending their winning streak. Final score, 86-49. This is Bucal Season 5, only here on Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon. Abangan nyo ang best player of the game.
fastest growing fiber internet got even faster. Again! Dahil ang doble na, di noble pa. Converge Fiber X Plan 1.5 from 100 Mbps is now 200 Mbps. Doble ulit ang bilis, doble ulit ang sulit. If you're an existing subscriber, automatic upgrade ito. And if you want to make it permanent, just agree to our new terms and conditions. As simple as that, no new application, and it's absolutely free. New Converge Fiber X Plan 1.5. Ang dobleng sulit, new offers from Converge. Doble na, di noble pa!
Big or small celebration, make it special, make it big.
The match has officially ended. Congratulations to the winners of this match, the Annunciation Panthers. Now with me today is the best player of the game, brought to you by NCF Wings, because Tigers can have wings. Jersey number 28 with 8 points, 5 rebounds, 3 assists, and 2 steals. So ayan, good afternoon, Mr. Bunso. What mindset did you have before and during the game that gave you the strength to be here today?
Hard work ko lang po. Hard work.
In behalf of your team, how are you feeling right now na pangalawang panalo nyo na ito?
Sabi po na siya, dire lang po makontent ko. Kung ano mo kung ano, mayroon kami niyan. Hard work naman gyapon.
This is your chance na magpasalamat o kaya naman mag-shoutout sa mga sumusuporta sa inyo.
Shoutout po sa Bunso family na taga-Ugaw. Dan shoutout po sa GF ko, ay Rami Ingera.
Once again, jersey number 28 with 8 points, 5 rebounds, 3 assists, and 2 steals. Hindi pa ito ang huling beses na makikita nyo sila, kaya naman abangan natin sila only here at Uragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon, and on One Media TV 48 Naga. This is Rain Reyes, the courtside reporter of the Annunciation Panthers.
Ayan, maraming salamat Reno for presenting our best player of the game, si Jay Bunzo with 8 points, 5 rebounds, 3 assists, and 2 steals. No, partner, for that victory ng ating Annunciation Panthers. Napakaganda ng performance nila dito as a team and as a whole, and syempre sa kanilang best player of the game.
A bounce back win from the Panthers after their loss from the Cubs, and great show of team effort from the Pasacao Academy, but their winning streak have ended this game, and they will also have a 2-1 record sa pagtatapos ng matchup against the Panthers.
So, yun nga mga kaibigan, this is all of the time that we have for the matchup ng ating Annunciation Panthers and ng ating Pasacao White Tigers. Tutok lang kayo sa susunod na game. It's the USI Falcons versus the Amando Cope College Green Serpents. Muli, ako si David Joshua Bernales.
I am Luis Alexander, L.A. Lapid.
And this has been Bucal Season 5, only here on One Media Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon. Paalam po.